In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can use CapCut on TikTok. Okay, so by the end of this video, you'll know exactly what CapCut on TikTok is and how you can use it to post pretty cool TikTok videos. Okay, so I just searched in the search bar of TikTok for CapCut just to get a results of all the videos using the CapCut template. So I'll just tap on one of them right now, and you can see here it says CapCut, try this template. What this will allow you to do is use this video, combine it with one of your own videos that you have pre-recorded, and then create a unique, cool video on TikTok. So what you need to do first, before you do this, is have a video ready that you want to use in conjunction with this specific video. So what you need to do is tap on CapCut, try this template. And now you do need to obviously have CapCut installed on your phone, because you can see it says use template in CapCut. So it will open up the CapCut app once you tap on that. So if I do that, you can see here's the template. And what you need to do now is tap on use template right at the bottom right hand corner over there. Tap on use template, and now you need to select the video that you have pre-recorded to be able to combine with that template video. So I'll tap on one of my videos. Obviously this isn't going to look perfect because it's just a random screen recording video, but I tapped on preview, and now you can see here it's taking that video from TikTok and combining it with my own video that I've pre-recorded. So you can just see it merges the two. So what you can do now, if you want to edit your own video, the first one from TikTok is locked. You cannot edit that one, but tap on the second one. So you can see that one's locked. If I tap on edit on the second template, you can see that you can replace it, crop it, change the volume. So just edit those settings however you want to edit them. And then you can tap on the export button at the top right hand corner, and this will export without the watermark. So then you can just export that video and then upload that onto TikTok or wherever else you want to upload it. It can be Instagram, Facebook, wherever else. So that's all you need to do. So if this video helped you out, drop a like onto this video, and I'll see you in the next one.